Hello everyone, welcome to the anubhavtrainings.com. In this series of video tutorials, we are discussing about RESTful ABAP programming model. In the last video, we discussed about what is RESTful ABAP programming model and since when it is available and what are all the key components of it. In this video, we will talk about how to create your first database table with ABAP on cloud. If you think this video is helping you, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and also share this video with your colleagues so that it will also help them to understand the new RESTful ABAP programming paradigm. So let's get started and switch to our development tool environment, Eclipse. This is a trial instance of ABAP server in cloud platform, and I will just go ahead and create a new package. Let's name this package here ZRAP, the RESTful ABAP programming model. And we'll just quickly go ahead and create a database table as part of this package. We'll create a new transport request. And I'll say finish. The package gets created. So now in this package, we will be going ahead and creating our first database table. So right click here, say new, other repository objects, and choose table. So this will be using the CDS language to create a database table. And let's give the name as ZRAP sales order. So we're creating a table called sales order. And we'll say next, finish. Awesome. So now in this sales order table, we will have the, of course, client field, the mandate field for an application type of table, and we will also have sales order ID. Now this sales order ID, I will keep it as ABAP char 32 characters. And then we will also have, let's say, the customer, 80 characters. We will have the gross amount, ABAP currency type, with let's say 10,2 decimal points. And then we have currency code, currency key type, and we will also mark which is the field which is representing the currency code for this amount. Cool. And we will also have, let's say, order status, care of 1. So very simple database table containing the order details, the order information. Maybe I will say this as numc of 4. All right, let's activate our table. And now you can see our database table has been activated. We can just go ahead and do a data preview on this table, right click, and we can say open data preview. So you can choose open data preview. So currently this table does not have any data, which is okay. So in the next video, we will go ahead and discuss and create our first CDS view on this table so that we can give a shape to our business object of the RESTful ABAP programming model. If you think this video is helping you, please feel free to subscribe and like this video, and kindly forward this to your friends and colleagues so they can also get benefit out of this free learning series on RESTful ABAP programming model. And I will see you in the next video.